Hello everybody. When the silence is over, the storm is about to start. We're talking here about US equities, and this is the chart of the YM, the Dow Jones Futures chart. What we see here is basically 2-year-long consolidation, a multi-bar consolidation, and this is a consolidation we very well know. That's an S2 pattern. That was basically initiated, this pullback and the sideways consolidation was initiated by the Ukraine war in beginning of 2022. Well, this is the consolidation. This is the momentum move that is attached to the consolidation. And once the consolidation is over and we are right here at the decision point, well, we're expecting at least another momentum move of that sort. That should bring us to the target one. And as this is a pattern, S2 pattern, right after another pattern, that's the S1 gecko that was marked by the corona spike in March 2020, we actually can assume that what is coming up here, the momentum move coming up, is basically the end of the great financial crisis back here in 2009 it was, I think. So we can actually have an outer target, which is target 2, that gives us a fantastic reward to risk, that when we think that this is the entry and this is the stop. Well, now let's zoom in this pattern. This is a turtle pattern on the weekly chart. It's defined by a midline, by an angular test line, and testing activity. So it's very important that the last dominant high gets broken, definitely broken. And we could see here at the end of this week, Friday close, we actually saw here that the last dominant high was slightly, well, it's getting tested. It has not been broken yet. Well, the great thing is we've got, the weekend is, the markets are closed, so we get a weekend gap. On Sunday evening, the markets open again. So either we get a gap up, well, that would then initiate the long-term entry signal, or we get a gap down, well, then we have this bar high. Then if price breaks this bar high, well, this would then the entry signal. Well, it really looks good now. The trade can nicely be framed. That's a weekly trade, right, with an entry and a stop. And this should trigger a series of stop run levels. These are stop run levels, and there's a lot of power, a lot of energy stored. In this consolidation, energy is stored. In this consolidation, energy is stored. We're basically looking for a move like that. So for the YM, we're looking for first target being around the 55,000 level, and then the outer target a couple of years down the road, well, actually the 100,000 level. So what we should see here the years to come is that the US equity is becoming more and more a vertical market. We already see it here. There's a pickup in momentum, right? And we should actually see this to continue, to see an exponential move. Exponential charts are the best charts for traders. We're going to see a ton of patterns, be it system 1, system 2, or system 3. And I'm very excited that this phase is over, and then we're going to see a lot of momentum to pick up.